Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the optimal resolution message or warning you're getting when using various apps or programs on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best match will come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the notification option. And then you can either turn off all notifications from different apps on your computer by toggling the master switch up here, or you can go down and just turn off whatever the problematic application is further down in this list and just toggle it to the off position. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.